Hello YouTube, I'm Musikev, and welcome to Zelda Month. I'll be uploading one video a day on either this channel or my other channel. At this point, I've done 5 top 10s on my Musikev Plays channel, and this is the first of 2 in-depth musical discussion series of the musical top 10s, being the musical characters. My 10th favorite musical character in Zelda games was Kina from Skyward Sword. I would have considered Fi for the slot if she wasn't playing the part of annoying assistant. Fi does sing all of the sacred songs that get you the Triforce pieces, and she dances/figure skates, but Kina sings too, and she's a better character overall. Kina is the daughter of Pum, the owner of an aptly named lumpy pumpkin. She works as a waitress, but she moonlights as a singer in the bar. You ultimately get roped into playing harp with her as she performs, due to your breaking a chandelier in order to get a heart piece. About time Link is held responsible for his destructive tendencies, if you ask me. So, after being put to work carrying pumpkins, you're hired as an accompanist. Now let me just say up front, being an accompanist is hard. Depending on the genre, you may have to create and improvise on the fly. The best accompanist can make the performer look good and keep up with any creative licenses taken by the performer. That being said, I myself am not a good accompanist, in or out of game. I'll be honest, I never quite got the minigame down. When you play with her, you're supposed to watch the audience wave their hands and follow their rhythm. Weird mechanics aside, you kinda just have to memorize the motions and hope for the best. The harp has the unique attribute of staying in key regardless of where you play it, despite not seeing Link make any adjustments to the thing. I'm going to do a quick little aside to explain a little bit of how harps work. All of the strings are attached to levers that can bump them up or down a half step. With a large harp, these are pedals, and harp notation usually clues you in on how to arrange the pedals. With more portable harps, the levers don't need to carry as much tension and can be made smaller. Sorry, back to Kina. She only sings to like 2 people in the bar, but that makes her all the more impressive a performer, willing to perform to even the smallest audience. Her song doesn't have any lyrics, but that just allows you to focus on the melody, which I do like. Plus, you don't have to worry about translation hiccups in the songs. It is such an uplifting melody and suits her personality well. Alright, so I don't have too much to say about the people who ranked lower on my list. I suppose it's my own fault for enforcing the whole 1 per game rule. I could talk for hours about other Zelda characters, but I'll save those for the next couple days. Be sure to like this video as well, since I like validation. And make sure you subscribe so I can see you all tomorrow as I continue the in-depth look at the top 10 musical characters in Zelda games. If you missed the list that I'm basing this on, or any other list, the link to that playlist is over here. While you're over there, subscribe there as well. I'll be doing more top 10s on that channel. See you next time.